Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. In today's video we are going to be playing with the Blend Bunny Surge palette. This is another amazing collab video with my very good friend Andi from Andi Does Stuff, the Thelma Louise show. Andi has picked a row and I have picked a row, and I am going with the blue row. Look at how pretty that is. It's going to be a nice grungy smoky look, I'm hoping. I have already put on my foundation, bronzer, blush. I have primed my eyes and set them. We're just going to jump right into this look and see what we can create. I'm going to start out with this light blue. The name of that is Chills. It's almost like a bluish gray. And I'm going to use that as my transition color. Blend Bunny. Blend Bunny. I have a hard time saying those two words together for some reason. Has amazing formulas. They blend out so easy. And I just saw on their Instagram today that they are coming out with a new palette. Which means that it's a good thing I did all that decluttering, because, you know, now I have empty holes over there on my bookcase that I can fill back up. Even though this is a very colorful palette, I think that this would be a really good palette for a beginner, because the shadows are so easy to blend and they're buildable. I mean, of course, if you dipped your brush in there really good, you would get enough for a good payoff. And now I'm going to go here into Rush and put that in my crease and my outer corner. And my whole lid, apparently. So how's everybody doing? We all ready for fall? I know a lot of people are not wanting to let summer go. It has already been chilly here at night in Missouri. I think one night it even got down in the 30s. Oh, that's pretty. Love that color. One of the things that I love most about the fall is a good campfire, and because I work on a resort, a camping resort, when I go to work sometimes I can smell the campfires and it is amazing. Love a good campfire. I am loving the shade. I don't know that I've ever worn a shade quite this color before. I don't know what's happening right there, that my eyeshadow just does not want to stick to that patch. And now I'm going to take a little smaller brush and I'm going to go into that black, which is called Linger. And it doesn't look, I mean, that looks really black, but this is more of a gray black, I think. It doesn't look as black as that first one, which is called Vinyl. I'm just going to get a little bit of that and darken up this outer corner. See, just a little bit to darken that outer corner up. And then I'll take a little smaller brush. I don't know how this lighter blue is going to look. I'm going to put that on the front part of my lid. That is actually really pretty too. And now I'm going to go here into underneath. And I'm going to use my finger and put that in the center of my lid. That is such a pretty color. And I think I'm going to try it with a brush and some spray. Look at how pretty that is. So pretty. It's pretty, y'all. I know y'all are shocked to hear me say that. And then there's all the festivals and everything that happen in the fall. Those are always fun too. Here, close to where I live, there's a little town called Herman, Missouri. Oh, I really like that. And they have a lot of wineries, and they'll do wine trails. There's they give you a little map, and you can drive around to all of the different wineries, and they'll have wine tastings, and they'll have little hors d'oeuvres and stuff to go along with it. A lot of people do that. They even have a little trolley. That way you can drink as much as you want. And the trolley does all of the driving. I'm going to dip into Rush and put that under my lower lash. I really like that color. And then I'm going to go back into that black color, Linger, and just deepen that outer corner up a little bit. And I'm going to go back into that first color, Chills, that really light color, and just make sure that this is all blended really well. And I'm feeling like I want to go back into underneath and just intensify that a little bit more on my lid. Just right in the center. That is such a pretty color. And now I want some white. Just want some white for my inner corner. I'm going to cheat, Andi. I'm cheating. I'm taking a little bit of that flash. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. To go right in my inner corner. Just a titch. I can cheat, right? Right? Y'all don't tell Andi I'm cheating. She'll never know. See, just a little bit just to brighten that up. Alright, I'm going to put on some mascara and a lip, and I'll be right back. And so here's the final look. I used my Patrick Ta mascara. I have on an Urban Decay lipstick. This is Backseat Cream, and it is very, very creamy. My first time using it, I really like that. I used my LYS Triple Fix Serum Foundation. Love, love, love this foundation. This is MN5. Very buildable, yet lightweight. You can't even tell that you've got it on. I used my Mora powder. This is 200. I absolutely love this as well. It is a correcting and brightening powder. It's amazing. Love it. I have on my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is the matte bronzer. I have the other one, and it's very glowy. So I wanted to try the matte, and I'm not sure. I mean, it looks really nice, but it's very powdery and very dry, which I guess maybe it needs to be dry to be a matte. And it has that same amazing smell to it, so I'm going to keep testing that out. And by the way, this has a little brush and a mirror on the inside, which is super cute. And I use my Mora blush. The name escapes me. Look at how beautiful that is. Let's turn it up so you can see what the pattern is. Love that embossing. Isn't that gorgeous? This is their ombre blusher, and it is in Orange Blossom, and I just love it. Love it, love it. So I did take that blue, glittery, shimmery color and put it underneath my eye, and I did put a little bit of my white shimmer that I keep on my vanity in my to highlight my brow. Words are hard today, y'all. And in my inner corner, just to kind of brighten that up a little bit. But I really like it. I think it turned out really well. I love the Surge palette. Blend Bunny. Blend Bunny. I cannot say those two words together either. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But they're amazing. I can't talk, but they're amazing. Trust me. So, so pretty. And I'm surprised at how well all of those blue shades went together. So, I mean, you can just go down the row to create a really nice look. Very, very nice. So now you need to go see what Andi did and which row she picked. Her video will be linked down below in the description box. If you do not know who Andi is, because I do have some new subscribers, welcome to all of y'all. If you don't know who Andi is, she's absolutely amazing. Go check her out. If you like her content, you can consider subscribing. She is a very, very good friend of mine, and I just absolutely adore her. Thank you, Andi, for doing another collab with me. I'll see you again in November. Before you go check out Andi, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, you should try out this Physicians Formula Matte Butter Bronzer. Matte and butter just don't really seem like they go together. But anyway, it's matte. So, you know, if you've got it on your cheeks and you're fishing, the sun won't beam off of your cheeks and the fish won't know that you're there. You know, it won't be reflecting in the water. Or maybe you want it to, because then the fish will go to the light. Mama loves you, boo.